Today I'm gonna be showing you our $10 per night crib. It is right next to the beach. That's the beach down there, and it's called the Patong Tower. We park our scooters right there. Just check it out.
Oh shit, yeah? What's up? Welcome to my crib. / Airbnb. Yeah, don't mind that door. So, this is it. Here's the master. You come in.
You got the aircon in here.
Got the aircon. It's pretty spacious. Got the stiff bed. Literally sleep like a rock.
What else you got here?
You got the bathroom. We got the dual shower, rainfall, body sprayer, you know. Got the little bidet. Triple mirror. Check your left, check your right. Straight on.
Go forever.
Got that 50-incher, you know. Nice leather couch. We got the cheapest chairs in Thailand. Ooh.
Second bedroom.
Yeah.
Kind of forgot about it.
This is for your guests. Yeah.
Small but efficient.
Small but efficient. Got your Mikey. Pans. Got that stove down there. Click on some fans. Yeah, they rotate. And then the best part. Got that open concept. Come out here every morning, cigarette, coffee. You got Patong Beach, Patong City.
We got this outdoor sink. We don't use it for anything. Got that seating for your lovely guests.
Oh yeah, and the fridge.
Oh yeah, what's in the fridge?
I'll show you the fridge.
Got them birdies, waters.
You know, got that chocolate cake for them fancy nights. Absolutely nothing. Got your dinners. You know, a little bit of ice. Yeah, and if you got another person to stay with you, you got that cot. Another fan for them hot days. My favorite part, personal Wi-Fi.
So yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's nothing too extravagant, but
For $10 a night, you can't beat it.
gets the job done.
Gets the job done.
All right, now get the fuck out.